Well, we've got a real first world problem here. Looks like it's about to sprinkle. And the Dodge's intermittent wipers do not work. There it is, on intermittent wiper, and nothing. Don't get anything. I have to turn it to low. And nothing. The Dodge intermittent wiper has not worked since I've owned this. I finally got around to replacing the switch, thinking that was the issue. And lo and behold, it's not. So now I have a new switch, but I still don't have intermittent wipers. I'm going to try something else to see if I fix the problem. Stick around and see if that's what it is. Alright, I am going to try and get to the wiper motor to see if it's got some corrosion or something. Alright, to get to the motor, you just pull this clip up and your wiper blade should come off as such. And then we need to take out a couple of screws. And you'll also pop off these. Allow you to get to the motor under here. Once those are popped off, you can kind of get to the motor under here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and take a little piece of sandpaper and clean off the connections. They don't look that bad anyway, but I'm hoping maybe it might be just bad connections or something that's causing it to not work. They don't look very dirty, but so once they're cleaned off, I'm going to take a little bit of dielectrical grease and maybe help out the connection a little. Squirt it in there. Reconnect. Now, put that back down. That back on. Now let's see if that did the trick. Would you look at there? A little bit of dielectrical grease will fix the problem. Wish I did that beforehand. So originally I thought it was the switch that was bad, when if I took a little bit of time and just cleaned that connection, put a little dielectrical grease on there, that would have solved my issue without having to replace the switch. So if your Dodge is having intermittent wiper issues, maybe try just cleaning off that connection, put a little dielectrical grease first before spending the money for that part. You may save yourself some. I appreciate you watching. Hopefully the video was helpful. If you found it helpful, please like it. And if you're inclined to do so, please subscribe. I would love it. Anyway, again, thanks for watching. Have a great day.